In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type on a path in Affinity Designer. First, open up Affinity, then open up your project or canvas. Also, make sure that your canvas already has the path in it. And of course, select your path. Now, in the left panel, grab the artistic text tool. So here you can zoom in your canvas just so you can see clearly. Now hover your cursor over the path. As you can see, we are seeing two symbols along with our cursor, one with A and one with this T with curved line underneath. And when you see the cursor change to a T with this curved line, all you have to do is now click on the path. And now you can start typing your text like this one, and your text will now follow the curve or shape. And to adjust the position, just drag the start and the end handles along the path. You can also flip the text inside or outside the path by dragging these handles. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!